What if Switchwords doesn't work? Watch the video till end to discover a proven method to use Switchwords effectively. Don't panic. Be calm, take a breath, and listen to chants. Don't use Switchwords for more than 3 different purposes per day. Listen to chants 3 times daily. Trust the system with your heart. You can achieve anything you believe. Respect the system. Once started, finish listening or writing. Don't leave in between. If you've been listening to chants for a month or more, take a break. Restart in a few days. Now, it's time for a proven method. Before listening to your Switchwords chants, first listen to oil release resistance chants. This will remove any blockages. After listening to your Switchwords chants, surrender to universe by listening to Ho'oponopono prayer. Link of oil release resistance chants and Ho'oponopono prayer is given in description.